Hey guys, welcome to my home, and thanks for joining me on this mid century living room tour. Alright, so let's start diving in to the living room tour. So we're gonna sneak by Gray. Just playing. We're not gonna sneak by, we're gonna say hi, and she's going to ignore us. Okay, so behind the couch, I have this little table where I have some like winter wood, a bear that my husband had before I moved in, our wedding photo, candle burning. So this painting I got from Morocco. Um, and then also this poof as well is from Morocco. The vase is from Home Goods, and the plant is actually from like Stop and Shop or something like that. And here's an overview of that. The TV stand I got from Target. We have our TV mounted. These hooks we put our keys and stuff on is from Target as well. And then this was our guest book for our wedding instead of having a traditional one that people sign. So my husband and I, we love to travel. So I loved incorporating that in our wedding, and just a few knickknacks that we got from Hobby Lobby. So this shoe rack is from Amazon. We just keep all our sneakers and stuff in there. Got a plant. That planter is from Home Goods as well. This side table is from Home Goods. I got it a couple of months ago. Thought it tied in with the mid-century modern feel of the apartment. And this is our sectional couch. It is from Macy's. This is the most comfortable thing um, I've ever seen in my life, and it also is mid-century. It has the nice little feet to it. Um, you see me. This is a normal chill mode on the couch because I love this couch so much. Behind the couch, unfortunately, we have a little bit of a dead space, but I put a fireplace back there with some plants. This clock is from Target. Very affordable. We have our blinds there. So this hanging lamp I got from Facebook Market. It was a steal, $15, and I just spray printed it black. So I'm super excited about this bind. This table I got from Savers, and it just has two levels to it. I'm eventually going to be upgrading it though, for a new one. And then this rug I got from Home Goods.